Okay, so welcome back. So now we're going to talk about distance and midpoint of a line segment. Okay, so what is a line segment? Well, we know that 2 points are needed in order to determine a line. So and a line has infinite length. Okay, so in this case we could call this line AB, and the arrows indicate that this line goes forever in both directions. But we can also indicate a line segment because the points AB also determine what we call a line segment. And so line segment has a length, that has a finite length that we can measure. Okay? So in this case, A and B are called the endpoints of a line segment. Okay? Now we can place A and B anywhere. Okay? It just depends on the situation and what we're measuring and what it calls for. Okay? So in this case here, we have line segment AB, and so now the coordinates. The coordinates are the values that tell us where the A and B are located on a rule of some sort, like a number line, right? So if we were to map this out on a number line, let's say these points are on the real number line. Okay, and let's say we have this situation. Okay, so in this situation, we're mapping, let's say we have this line segment here on the number line, on the real number line. And we want to know, hey, what's the distance between the two? What's the length of this line segment? Well, that's the same as the distance between these 2 points. So how do we calculate the difference between these points? Well, we have to take the coordinates. What are the coordinates? The coordinates are the numbers that tell us where those points are located on a number line. Okay, so for example, the coordinate for B is 3 and the coordinate for A is -2. And so those are the definitions. So again, understand the idea of a line segment, the endpoints of a line segment, and what the coordinate is for a number. Okay, what the coordinate is for a particular location. Okay, and it depends on the measuring device, right? Okay, so the next video we're going to say, hey, how do we go about finding these things? So I'm going to go through the steps next.